Rajasthan on to Chandigarh, where the road has caved in at sector 4748 T point, due to which a bike rider fell into the ditch along with the bike. People informed the local authorities regarding the same. The bike was pulled out with the help of the fire department, and the youth suffered minor injuries. Gurpreet Singh tells us more about this.
Reporting from Chandigarh at this point of time, and we are showing all these pictures from ground at this point of time. We have seen one bike-borne youth who has entered from Mohali towards Chandigarh. The moment he reached near sector 47, immediately this road caved in and the bike had entered into this big pothole. What we have learned, the people who are present here at that time, they say luckily that the man had fallen down on this road and he got minor injuries, but the bike had fallen down in this deep pothole which we are showing at this point of time, and immediately the local administration, the local authority called fire brigade, traffic police, and after a lot of struggle they were able to get this bike out of this big pothole. So this incident which has been taken place in Chandigarh, it has already put a question mark over Chandigarh administration that how well they are prepared to grapple and combat with upcoming monsoon season. And specifically, if we can see this big pothole, any big tragedy can happen here in Chandigarh. But what we have seen immediately after that incident, they have already cordoned off this area. They have already stopped traffic flow on this road, but we have seen some of the vehicle, they are also moving on the same road from this slip road. A lot of precautions are being taken by the local administration after this incident. We have seen fire brigade as well as the local traffic police. They were able to get that bike out, and the man who was driving that bike, he has also sustained and got minor injuries. He has been hospitalized immediately, but this incident has already put a question mark over Chandigarh administration that how well they are prepared to deal with monsoon season. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Gurpreet Singh Sheena for NDTV, Chandigarh.